Hello all, welcome to Hole Wizard Tool Tech Tip. So in this video we are going to understand how to create the hole using the Hole Wizard tool. So before starting with the actual process, we need to create one sketch on a part which is going to help us to create the holes. So here I have created one sketch on my part that is going to help me in the future process. So here under the features tab, select the Hole Wizard command. So in the hole specification properties tab, select the type of the hole, standard, size of the hole, end condition as well as the precision as per your project requirement. And click on the positions tab. Here click on the existing 2D sketch and expand the design tree and select the sketch which we created earlier. So SOLIDWORKS will automatically insert the hole on a sketch. If at all you want to add, you can add also. You want to delete few of them, just click on instances to skip and just left click on that, it will get removed. After this just click on OK button. So you will notice the holes are created. If at all you want to delete the holes which you created earlier, just right click on that, delete. So here uncheck the delete absorbed features and click OK. So you will notice only holes are deleted, not the sketch.